Hello all, this is Pretty Yepuda, your European Nailbayo distributor. Welcome to this YouTube tutorial, where we'll create marbly fireworks. Apply a black gel polish and cure. Draw a swirl line with white gel polish in a wet no-wipe top coat. Let the swirl run out a bit and cure for 60 seconds. Apply a matte top coat, but only cure this one for 20 seconds. Go over the swirl with the Nailbayo Marbly White and make as many extra shadow swirls as you want. And now we bring in some color with neon pigments. Dust off the extra pigment and clean the edges with the Nailbayo Marbly Clear. Seal it and shine it with the Nailbayo top gel and then cure for 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.